Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Computer, its parts. So in this chapter we are going to learn about computer and its parts. So in chapter 1 we learn about computer. Yes, all of you know a computer? Yes. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So in this chapter we are going to see the different parts of a computer. In this chapter we are going to learn more about the different parts of the computer. So shall we start? Yes, let's go. So just our body part, okay? Just our body parts. Computer is also has different part. Just our body part, computer is also have different parts. In our body there are eyes, ear, mouth, hand, legs, okay? We have ear to hear the sound. We have eyes to see, and we have mouth to eat the food, to drink the water. Yes, we also have hands. We also have hands to do work, writing, holding, okay? And we also have a legs to walk, to run, to jump, okay? Like a human body have a different parts, the same way computer has a different part. Every part in our body has some specific function. Every part of our body has some specific functions to perform, okay? Like eyes are used for seeing, hands for writing, and legs for walking. The same way computer also has a different part which has some specific function to perform, Now we will learn about parts of computer. So how many parts are there? Computer has 4 main parts. How many parts computer has? Computer has 4 main parts. Computer has 4 main parts. Which are they? We are going to see now. First is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. First is monitor. Second is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Second is keyboard. Third is CPU. Fourth is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. So these are the 4 main parts of computer, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. These are the 4 main parts of computer. So you can see here there is a monitor, okay, in which we can see the picture is a monitor, okay. Down you can see there is buttons, that is nothing but the keyboard. and in this system there is a small one there, white color, that is nothing but the mouse. That is nothing but the mouse. And the blue and black color, you can see one box is there, that is a CPU. That is a CPU. Okay, so like this you can see the computer system. All this part will make a computer system. This part together help a computer system to work. These parts together help a computer system to work. So by using monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse together will help a computer system to work. Okay, now we are going to learn about functions of computer parts. Functions of computer parts. So in this we are going to learn about the function of different computer parts. We are going to learn about the functions of different computer parts. We are going to learn how each part of computer are going to function. How each part of computer are going to function. So here we are going to see the function of computer parts. Which parts we are going to see? That is monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Now monitor. Okay, monitor. So what is a monitor? Monitor looks like television screen. So monitor is a screen. Monitor is a screen. It look like a television screen. All of you know na television? Yes, TV screen. So monitor is a screen which look like a television screen. Monitor also called screen. So for what purpose this monitor is used? Monitor display everything you do on a computer. So monitor can display everything you do on a computer. Like if you type on a computer, it will display that. If you draw, it will display that. Okay, if you will play a game, okay, that is also this monitor will display. So monitor display everything you do on a computer. Whatever thing you do on a computer, monitor will display that. So monitor display drawing, words, games, cartoons, etc. Now only I have told you that this monitor will display drawing, words, games and cartoons, etc. It monitor is used to display the result. Okay, this monitor is used to display the result. Okay, it also show the text which you type through a keyboard. So whatever you type, that is a word. Okay, it will be display on a monitor. When you type any words from keyboard, it will display on monitor. Whenever you draw with the help of mouse, it will display on a monitor. That means you are drawing words. If you are playing games, cartoons, okay, all this thing will display on a monitor. Got it, monitor? Yes, okay. Now the next is keyboard. So the next is keyboard. You can see here on the keyboard there are alphabet, numbers are there. Okay, so keyboard have small buttons called keys. Keyboard have small buttons called keys. A keyboard has many keys on it. Keyboard has many keys on it. Like there is a letter words, alphabetical keys like A to Z. A to Z is a alphabetical keys. Then there is a numeric keys, number keys from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 there are number keys. And also a special character. Special character means ampersand, okay, then at the rate, plus, minus, is equal to, hash, colon, semicolon, greater than, small than. These are the special characters. Okay, so all these key are there on the keyboard. Now for what purpose these keys are used? So these keys are used to type words and numbers on the computer. With the help of keyboard you will type words, okay, and number on the keyboard. Got it? Yes, what is the use of keyboard? To type words and numbers and special characters on the computer. Got it? Now what is a keyboard? Yes, okay. So in this class we have learned about the computer and its parts. So we have seen the four main parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. We also learn about the function of monitor and keyboard. Now the rest we are going to see and learn in next part. Till then you have to learn what we have learned in today's class. You have to revise whatever we learn in today's class. Okay, so we are going to meet in next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.